All right, here's a quick demo. Got some Cat 5 cable. I think it's 50 foot or so. So basically just bring our connection up through here. And we're just gonna, a little tough to do with one hand. Velcro it in. And I don't know if you can see right here, that's how I just have a little I don't know, screw or whatever with an eyelet to kind of keep this top piece connected to the bottom base. So that's really the only connection. So if this top starts to slide, it'll catch right there. And so that's that's that piece. So all we have to do is just wind it up. So I could put a little X bracket here with a little screw or something like that and put a drill on it and really spin it. But this isn't too bad. I mean, it's winding it up. So again, this is a little slower because it's one-handed right now, but it's winding it all up. Oh, stupid Velcro. There it is, all wound up. And you just have to unhook it. And again, this took way longer with just one hand. Shove that back down and lift the top off. Again, it's just kind of a donut with a hole in it. So that's basically all the top is. And it's all wound up down there. So then you just take it. I'm gonna need two hands. And voila! It took it right on off. So just wrap some Velcro around that and you're done. Boom. Cool.